Magandang buhay po sa ating lahat. Once again, this is your friendship, Shermaine Fernandez, for my nickname. And of course, for today's video mga friendship, as we can see na talaga namang kumukutitap at nagagandahan ang ating mga guests for today's video. Dahil meron tayong tinatawag na OFW Gala Night, especially here in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, Malaysia. But before that mga friendship, ano nga ba ang OFW Gala Night? Para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, it is typically refers to an event celebrating overseas Filipino workers, often held in conjunction with events like Migrant Workers Day or National Women's Month. These galas serve as a recognition of the sacrifices and contributions of OFW to the Philippines, and they often feature performances, awards, and opportunities for community engagement. Maliban dyan mga friendship, ang isa sa mga purpose of Gala Nights is to recognize OFW, acknowledge the sacrifices and contribution of OFW to the Philippines economy and development, promote a community. Maliban dyan mga friendship, Gala Nights often include awarding ceremonies which are recognizing outstanding OFWs and their achievements. We have also performances featuring music, dance, and other artistic expressions, displays and exhibits showcasing Filipino culture, design, and products, speeches and messages as well from government officials and community leaders. Aside from that mga friendship, we have also here a raffle draws and giveaways, providing prizes and incentives.
Alright, hello everyone. Thank you very much for being here. And of course, mga kaibigan, sana po yung magsama sa mga event here in Sabah, Malaysia. So there, sa lahat po ng part ko, sumuporta po ng aming event for tonight. Maraming salamat po. And syempre sa aking kaibigan, Mr. Jerry, maraming salamat po sa iyo. And I know, this is not the end. Meron po tayong mga next event. Thank you very much. As we can see, meron po tayo mga ladies at the back. Ayan po. Ayan po. Very happy na here nila. Kasi everyone has surprised. And ayun, this is considered as one of the most unforgettable moment in their life.
Our OFW Gala Night 2023.
Lorna!
Sa mga
Joanne!
may announcement po kami.
Alright, at this time mga friendship, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Congratulations to all the winners. Once again, everyone, this is your friendship, Shermaine Fernandez, from my nickname. Bye for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!